I'm going to walk you through how to set up inventory engine. So in the project settings, find the Softkitty data settings. You will see there are already some database object here, and those are for the demo. You have to create your own for your own project. So let's delete them all, and let's navigate to Entity Manager, attributes, items. You will see it reminds you to assign the object here, but do not click it because this one is a demo. Let's start with the attribute first. Auto create, assign, and the object is created here. Attribute object 1, you can rename it to whatever you want. You will add a new attribute here. So let's just add some basic ones. First is the tag, and UID we're going to use ATK, and default value we put like 5. Upgrade increments, that's for the level up, so let's put 1 first. Okay, we check the core attribute here and add next one. Let's call it maximum health. The UID is MHP. Default value is 100. Upgrade increment is 10. And core attribute. And another one, HP. UID is HP. And default value, let's put 100, same as the maximum HP. And upgrade increment, we don't need that. And this is core attribute as well. And you can add some like defense or moving speed or whatever you want. Let's go to the Entity Manager. Also click on the Auto Create Assign button. So we got one here. Rename it if you want. When we click on the Entity Manager here, it says that you have to create an item database first. So let's go to the items and auto create and assign. And you will be able to see the item database settings. And we can just use default settings for most of them for now. And we're gonna create some items. There is already a default item here. So let's create a sword and UID sword. And let's create a shield. UID is shield. So we have 2 of them there. And we click the Entity Manager. You can see the interface now. And we can add a new entity. Settings player, we must have at least one entity, which is a player. And we're gonna add all the attributes here. You can check owning core attributes and field attributes from database. You will see all the attributes goes here. And let's come to the inventory. So first we click the plus button here, enter new inventory for the player. The display name is inventory, and the type we just check the player inventory. And let's create some currency here. So in the item settings, currency settings. So first one, let's use gold. And we're gonna select an icon for it. Let's just use this one. This is the text color. Click this one. And and a new one, silver. Okay, let's go back to the entity manager. Let's find the player inventory currency. You will see the gold and silver listed here. So we give the player 5 gold, 10 silver, and inventory. We can set the inventory size to like 20. And put a sword in it. So that's for the player inventory. There are many settings you can just explore yourself. And we're gonna create another one, which is for the equipment. So select the player equipment here and change the name to equipment. We don't need currency here. And we can put the shield on the player. That's pretty much it for the basic setup. And let's explain more about the item settings. So first, in the item category settings, it's like useful items or equipments. So let's just add our equipment here and put the color as red, and add another one like normal items and just put the color as light gray, and quality, so we can just put a white color for normal, and green color for rare, or orange color for impact. Currency settings, so we can auto exchange different currencies. So let's enter auto exchange rate for the gold, 100 silver. That's it. So 1x means 1x gold, and silver multiply 100 equal to 1x gold. In craft settings, enchantment settings, we don't need to mine it for now. And let's check the item settings. So for the sword, first it is equipment, and also the quality, we can put it rare for it, and we can select the icon. Just find the sword icon here. Okay, so this sword maximum stack, it has to be 1, and the weight, let's put 2 here. So operate useful, not use equipment restriction. If you have like a attribute represents the player level, you can add the level here. If you put like level 5, the player can only equip this sword when their level is above 5. And tradeable, deletable, visible. And here is the attribute. So we're gonna give this sword 10 attack power, and use actions. This is for like the callback. When player using this sword, the callback gonna send this action code. So we don't need it for now. And the tax is going to like filter items. So we can just put weapon, crafting material. You can add another item as crafting material of this item. The custom data is like the sound effects, visual effects. Okay, that's it for sport, and the shield gonna be the same. And that's pretty much it. You can find detailed information on the website, and I'm going to create some more video to explain advanced use of the inventory engine. Thank you for watching my video.